Hello everyone, I'm so glad to see you back in OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's do some hand warm-ups with Pop-It. Pop-It comes in different shapes and sizes. If yours looks different, that's okay. If you run out of bubbles to pop, just turn it over and keep exercising. When we finish, I have a surprise for you. Pick up your Pop-It and pull it apart so all the bubbles are facing up. We're going to use both hands now. Press down with your index, then thumb, index, thumb. You have 20 seconds. Start. Let's use both hands again. Press down with thumb, pinky, thumb, pinky. 20 seconds. Get your both hands ready. Press down with index, middle, and ring finger all at the same time. 20 seconds. Go. Use both hands again and press down with index and middle finger. Right, left. 20 seconds. Crisscross your hands and press down using your index fingers. Left, right, left, right. You can start. Pull on your Pop-It one more time. Use your index and middle finger of your right hand and copy me. You have 20 seconds. Start. Do the same with your left hand. You did so good. Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's a tree! I'm so glad we played again together. I will see you in my next video. Bye!